Welcome to getting started with the invoice module of iReserve. In this part, I will show you how to set the general settings. To set the general settings of the invoice module, you first go into configuration mode. After this, you click on Modules and then on Configuration under Invoice. There are multiple settings on the general settings page that can be set. Firstly, the module has to be set to active. Select the value active for this. Make sure the checkbox in the column Inheritance is not checked. Click on Save after this. The next setting is the invoice number format. This is now set to invoice, followed by the variable key. The key variable must always be present in the invoice number. At the bottom of the page, a description of the available variables can be found. The current value for the invoice number format results in the following invoice number for the first invoice that is generated. If the number in the invoice number always has to have a length of 4, you can use this variable instead. To also add the last 2 digits of the year to this, you edit the invoice number format like this. The next setting is the invoice start number. This setting provides a starting value for the key variable in the invoice number. This setting can only be used if no invoices have been made final yet. The last settings we will discuss are the Create Draft Invoice Status and the Final Bill by State settings. Create Draft Invoice Status can be used to immediately create a draft invoice when a reservation is made by a customer. To do this, choose the status you find under Configuration and then Configuration Booking for the setting New Booking Status Normal. Final Bill by State can be used to make an invoice final. If automatic closing of bookings is active, the status Closed can be selected to automatically make invoices final when the booking is done. You can also check this setting under Configuration and then Configuration Booking. These settings can individually or both be set to select status. This has the effect that draft invoices are no longer automatically made, or that draft invoices are not automatically made final. This can then be done manually by creating draft invoices on the reservation page or by making invoices final on the invoice page. Thanks for watching the short explanation of the general settings of the invoice module. Do you have more questions about how this works? Then quickly go to support.ireserve.net/n.